Members of the Young Missionary Movement, an arm of the Pontifical Mission Society, PMS, Nigeria, has organized a cultural fiesta for young people in Abuja with the theme, Go and Invite Others to the Banquet. The gathering drew participants from different parts of the country who converge at Christ the King College, Gwagwalada, to deliberate and discuss issues that will promote missionary zeal among the youths in Nigeria. CTV News was there.
It was a gathering of young people from all over the country. They are here at the Christ the King College, Gwagwalada, Abuja, for the 2024 Young Missionary Movement National Congress and Cultural Fiesta. The YOMM, which is one of the arms of the Pontifical Mission Societies, PMS Nigeria, is aimed at developing missionary consciousness among the young people. Speaking at the National Congress, the National Director of PMS Nigeria, Reverend Father Solomon Zaku, in his remarks, enjoined participants to take up the role of animators for the Holy Childhood Association.
Responsibility of promoting the Holy Childhood Association. To be very prayerful. Let your children see you praying. When they see you praying, then they will also pray.
Father Zaku further highlighted some of the qualities of a YOMM member.
YOMM, or a YOMM who can be an animator, must have some qualities. All of us as YOMMers, we need to have these qualities. One, that as a true YOMM, you need to have that spirit of docility to the Holy Spirit. Be open to the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is the agent of evangelization. You will be given different gifts by the Holy Spirit. Use your gifts to build the children of your parish. You must have that quality of love. You must have love for Jesus, love for the children. Your love for the children will make you to make sacrifice.
Mr. Peter Adobi, the national coordinator of the Young Missionary Movement, YOMM, in his remarks, urged the youth to join the priests and the religious in carrying out missionary activities in their dioceses and parishes.
To have young people who are aware of the missionary dimension of the church and are ready to contribute to the work of evangelization.
There was a drama presentation with lots of lessons for the participants and the young people at large.
What exactly does Inform Africa do per se? Inform Africa brings together a multi-sectoral and multidisciplinary group of investigators with complementary expertise in data science. So these are the areas where we basically, have impact on data science, infectious disease epidemiology, geographical statistics, and agent-based modeling. So community-wide and health surveillance systems, infectious disease medicine, immunology, mobility.
The national coordinator of the propagation of faith, Reverend Father Thomas Ibironke, in his speech explained that YOMM is the missionary arm of the Catholic Youth Organization of Nigeria, CYON.
4 societies under this society, 4 arms under the society. Then we have the Holy Childhood, which is the foundational for children. In the children, we inculcate the missionary spirit through the formation and education, and then they grow. When they now grow to the age of 14, they graduate from Holy Childhood into Young Missionary Movement, because they are not yet ripe to be a member of the CYON. So to keep the spiritual formation and the spiritual zeal of the children going, that is why we have the YOMM formed in Nigeria, so that they can continue with that missionary spirit. And so it is encouraged that those children, as they graduate from HCA, they go into YOMM and keep on with that missionary spirit that have been inculcated in them as little children, so that they can now begin to live their lives as a missionary, evangelizing, visitation, and other care for other people, because that is what they were taught as young children. And then they grow into it, they continue it among the youth. So that's why we call them a missionary arm of the CYON, the Catholic Youth Organization. So with all these, they have their prayers weekly, they have other activities, reaching out to people and going around to keep them in view of what the church's mission is about, going out and bringing all to be disciples of Christ.
There was a drama presentation with lots of lessons for the participants and the young people at large.
I'm just coming from a meeting with the CDC and the Center for Disease Control. We just had a meeting, and the curve of the disease is so much that we are still trying to find the morphology of that disease. And we are trying to find ways on how to curb it, find ways on how to prevent it so that it will not affect the society at large. So I'm going to tell you what I decided today. We are going to go to you have to get data, get the data from your clinics. Yes, I am from data from your clinics, and when you tend to analyze those data. And when you analyze the data, you come when we come for the next meeting, we know how to search diseases. Do you understand? So that is why I called for this impromptu meeting, so that at the end of our analysis, we're able to send the result to CDC. So that's why you are here today. Do you have any questions to that or anything to add? At least we are joining the meeting for today, and tomorrow we'll see for the meeting.
Of health data. The patient's care to research and emphasizes on the importance of data protection. It is positive impact on public health. Thank you for watching the drama.
Some of the participants who spoke to CTV News expressed joy to be part of the YOMM National Congress.
Come together to deliberate on this theme, which is going, inviting everyone to the banquet, and with our missionary formation programs, seminars, lecture, and to get to know more about this missionary program that will be designed for us. So that's why we are here.
I'm really delighted to be here because I've learned a lot. Actually, I don't really know much about the history of you, but coming here and Father opening our eyes to see a lot of things. As YOMM, we have a lot of activities together with the HCA, that's the Only Childhood Association, with the CYON, the Catholic Youth Organization of Nigeria. I've gotten to know as YOMM, we are not supposed to be separated from the Zionites.
The years has been able to use data science and infection disease epidemiology, do research under such innovations, and it has helped young people like this program, YOMM National, where I'm currently talking about data science for better health care. Data science have been able to help improve the healthcare system, especially in Nigeria, whereby you as a patient, you have every right for your information not just to be shared with anyhow person.
As young people, they need to use their strengths, their talents as young people to preach the good news. And that's why Young Missionary Movement will try to help them understand that even though they are not priests, they are not religious, they have also been called to participate in the mission of Christ. Therefore, these youth who have come here will remind other Nigerians that there are good things that they can do with the strength of their youth.
Abuja, Tony Abba, CTV News.